Hi, I'm joined with one of my patients who had a hair transplant, strep hair transplant done many years ago that left them with a wide scar from one end of the ear to another end. And I did a scar revision and I removed it. So, welcome.
Basically, the main problem after I realized that the transplants didn't work out for me, the main problem became the scar.
So, it was about almost 1 centimeter wide and it was protruding outward. So, that's what we really wanted to address.
Exactly. So, to the naked eye, it was just sort of just not an excellent looking scar. So I came to Dr. Sean and he suggested that we do a procedure to revise my scar. And here I am. I'm definitely happy with the outcome. My scar looks way better, way flatter, and definitely thinner.
So, look, nothing is magic, and we know that, but would you say, if you were to give a percentage from 0 to 100, how much would you say you got improvement with this procedure?
Definitely like a good 65 to 70%.
And that's actually significant.
Yes.
So, what would you say to those who've had a thick scar, it's bothering them, they have to grow their hair really long? Would you say, is this a good procedure for them to do?
Of course, definitely. It's life-changing. Definitely way better to have a thinner, better-looking scar than a malformed scar.
Well, thank you so much.
And definitely want to thank Dr. Sean because besides everything, the experience of doing a procedure with him, he's an amazing, he's a doctor that really cares about his patients. And you should come and check it out, guys.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.